In this video, we will walk you through how travel requests can be added, edited, deleted, and approved. Instead of paper-based travel requests or Google Forms submissions, your employees can easily add the required travel details, such as hotel or flight, and submit their request with a single click. Employees can easily manage travel requests in Peakflo by following these steps. The employees can go to the Travel Request tab from the left navigation bar. To add a new travel request, click on Add New. Based on the description below, employees can fill out the travel request information. Your employees can add a travel request number or click on Generate so that Peakflo can auto-generate the number. Start date, the start date of the travel request. End date, the end date of the travel request. The approval policy for the travel request. The policy can be assigned to the travel request both manually and automatically, but employees are not able to change the approval policy. Approval policy could only be edited by the admins. The employee name will be added automatically. It is also possible for employees to change the employee name from the drop-down list. Currency, the currency of the travel request. Amount, the total amount of the travel request. Once the travel request info is added, employees can click on Items to add the details of the travel request. Fill out the details of the travel request items based on the description below. Add the type of travel request, for example, flight or hotel. Add the departure city. Add the destination city. Start date, the date that the travel starts. End date, the date that the travel ends. Amount, the total amount of the travel expense, for example, airfare, hotel cost. Attach the travel request receipt in PDF or image format. Employees can add multiple items and PDF attachments to a single travel request for a more convenient travel request management. Once done, employees can submit the travel request for approval by clicking the Save button. Once the travel request is saved, the employees can open the travel request, click on the Send for Approval button, and streamline the approval process. How to edit travel requests. The employees can go to the Travel Request tab from the left navigation bar. In the New section, click on the travel request to edit it. A pop-up will appear. Click on the three-dot button on the top right. Now, click on the Edit option. The Edit window will open. Make the modifications and click on Save. How to delete travel request. The employees can go to the Travel Request tab from the left navigation bar. In the New section, click on the travel request to open it. A pop-up will appear. Click on the three-dot button on the top right. Now click on the Delete option to remove the travel request. How can approvers approve or reject travel requests in Peakflo? In Peakflo, approvers can easily review and take action on pending requests. With just a few clicks, they can efficiently approve or reject travel requests. Approvers and managers will receive email, Slack, or WhatsApp notifications when a travel request is submitted. They can click on the link to review the travel request in Peakflo. Once a travel request is sent for approval, the approver will get notified. The approver will be taken to their My Approvals tab. The approvers can check and make sure that the information in the travel request is correct from the Info tab. Approvers can check the travel request breakdown from the Items tab and download the attachments. Approvers can also check the historical record of the travel request in the timeline, and they can even write a comment and mention a user. Once all the information is reviewed, approvers can click on the Approve button. How can approvers reject a travel request? If the travel request details and information are not correct and the approver wants to reject the travel request, all they need to do is click on the three-dot option on the top right. Then click on the Return to Draft button to reject the travel request. For more information, check out our help portal at help.peakflo.co or send us an email to support@peakflo.co